Hello sir, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
Sir, may nais pong ipanawagan si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. and si House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ito po yung gawin ng open sa publiko, itong mga bicameral committee, yung mga ganun, yung mga pag-uusap tungkol sa budget o yung pondo related sa budget. Like for example, ang kinakarap ngayon ng ating bayan, yung issue kay Senate President Chis Escudero, 142 billion na insertions. Gusto na po ni Pangulo at ni Speaker Martin Romualdez na maging transparent itong mga proseso tungkol sa budget. Kayo po, anong po masasabi nyo sa panawagan na ito ni Pangulo at ni Speaker?
Well, syempre, when it comes to a democratic country, transparency is very, very important, no? Syempre, as people in a democratic country, we have the right to know where our taxes go, where our taxes are used, kung ano ba yung mga ginagamit na, kung saan ba ginagamit ng gobyerno yung mga pondo na kinukuha sa atin, no? So, transparency is a very big deal. Pero in some sense, publicizing a bicameral section of the government or publicizing a certain, meeting that's held for the government, for the Congress, whatsoever, impose a lot of, what do you call this, security reasons. Now, syempre ngayon sa age natin na very high-tech na revolves around technology, it opens up the Philippines to be vulnerable to, security risks when it comes to, technology breaches and whatnot, right? The thing is, we don't really need these meetings to be publicized in order to be transparent. Let's take, for example, sa last term with Vice President Leni Robredo, where all of her projects were not necessarily publicized, no? Parang shinow lang yung approval per se, pero hindi talaga pinapublicize entirely. Pero naging transparent naman na wala siyang tinagong pera, na nalaman naman din agad ng taong bayan kung saan pumunta yung pera. Siguro to some extent, it is a good idea, but they should have a certain level of framing as to how publicized would it be. Kasi after all, yes, it gives us transparency to, the Filipino people, but it also imposes a threat to, secrets and projects that are not really supposed to be publicized yet. So siguro, if they are able to find a way to somehow be transparent without, fully disclosing everything, then that would be more than enough. But as far as, publicizing the entirety of the meeting, although it seems good, it still imposes a lot of security risks. And I'd rather have us, or I'd rather have them be transparent on their own rather than mapilitan lang silang maging transparent kasi, ay, nasa TV tayo, kailangan maging transparent. Mas okay pa rin na sila mismo kusa yung magiging transparent. Yun po.